it's Cindy Jarvis here with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here today to introduce our next Craft Your Stash Challenge. Now you guys have been really awesome. We have done 2 of these where you chose the items in my craft stash that I was going to use to create something. And here I have the 3 items that were created using things that you chose from my stash. So with this first one, I listed a bunch of different items that I had in my craft stash, and you all chose 3. I tallied all the votes and I created this using the top, I think it was 5 items that were on that list. The second time we did it is I had you choose 3 items and I just chose a comment and I used all 3 of the items that that person chose for me. I actually chose 2. This was the first one using the shovels, I believe, the summer shovels, an Easter sign, some of these baskets, and then I made a second one using a pizza pan. This was also an Easter sign, and 2 of these metal buckets from Dollar Tree. So what I wanted to do different this time is I want you to challenge me to craft what you have in your craft stash. So these could be items from Dollar Tree or a dollar store that you have. Maybe it's some crafting supplies from places like Walmart or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And what I'll do is I'll have you comment on this video 3 items that are in your craft stash that you want me to come up with something for you to do with them. I will make it, and then if you choose to, you can copy it with what's in your craft stash. So I hope that makes sense. I just had some items that I grabbed to give you ideas. Right now, maybe, and last year, some of these floral buckets or any type of container. Maybe you have some of these like canvas pictures from Dollar Tree. Maybe large craft sticks. These are from Walmart. Any sort of like glass container. Maybe you have signs from past seasons or holidays from Dollar Tree. Cutting boards, things that are available year-round. Or something like terracotta pots. So those are just some examples, but what I want you to do, like I said, is to comment on this video with 3 items that you have in your craft stash, and I will choose a winner who will get a little treat from me, but then I will also make a video of me making something with those items. I will use all 3 of your items, but I will probably add some other supplies in with it. So I hope you guys are excited. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I do product reviews and Monarch butterfly video updates, but mostly I do craft and home decor DIYs like this. The Craft Your Stash is something we've done a couple of times that people have really enjoyed, so I thought it was time to do another one. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for me to craft your stash, and I will be choosing the winning comment. Let's see, today is Friday that this is going up. So let's do next Friday by 10 p.m. So that would be the, I have to do some quick adding in my head, the 5th, I believe, June 5th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Comments will be cut off. So I can't wait to read what you guys have in your stash and get my ideas going. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.